Hello there mga kababayans and relatives all over the globe. I'm off from the train and just trying to walk towards my office. Okay, this is the station. One train has just left. Okay, so I'm just getting a bit of photo of this whole station is. This is a main station and this is a station just between city and some of the main suburbs. Another train is coming. You can hear the sounds of the train. Sorry, I have a lolly. They call it calf lolly, so I can get rid of my sore throat. So there are some works in the station. We still use the old trains, but a lot of our trains are new now, just like the one I previously showed to you inside the train. And these are the buildings near my office. And so I'm going up the stairs to go to my building. That's still 10 minutes away, so thank you so much for liking and subscribing in my YouTube channel. More to come.